Breaking out the Palm Pilot. Scrolling. Man, there are so many different companies out there when it comes to beard products and man products in general. I'm looking here on Instagram. That company looks amazing. That company looks awesome. Just so much to choose from. I don't know where to put my money in. I don't know what company to go for. It's just so damn frustrating. This looks like it's time to pray to the beard gods. Beard gods, oh beard gods, hear me now. It is I, Jester, praying to thee for help. Please send a company out there that could help me decide on which companies I want to put my hard-earned money to. Please send something out there that would... Oh my God. Could it be? What is it? Beard Bento? This should be interesting. Hey, what's going on, my bearded brethrens, my brethrens of the beard? It is I, the Bearded Jester, coming at you live with another beard product. Well, it's kind of like a beard product review, and an unboxing, and a company review all in one. That's why I tell you right now, my bearded brothers, this is probably going to be one of the most unique beard product or beard company reviews yet, because it's kind of the first time I ever kind of reviewed a product like this before. This company we're going to be discussing right now or reviewing right now is BALM! Beard Bento! At BeardedJester631. You ever go online or you go on Instagram and you're searching for a different company or different products out there for your beard or for just like man stuff? You get almost overwhelmed at how many different companies out there. It makes you want to pull your hair out. The hair I don't have. But what this company actually does is helps you with that problem. What this company does is you sign up for a monthly subscription surprise box. A box full of goodies. A box full of manly goodies. Man must-have products. That's right, my bearded brothers, a monthly subscription surprise box every single month. And every single month is different. It's an extremely affordable monthly subscription surprise box. And if you're like me, I love getting stuff in the mail. It's basically celebrating Christmas every month. So like I said, you get awesome samples from different companies, oils, balms, butters, co-washes, beard washes, and much, much more. In other words, Beard Bento got you covered. We're gonna open this box right now and I'm gonna show you what the goodies are in here. Oh, my favorite part. Oh, my favorite part. Oh. Is it me or do unboxings turn you on? Awesome, awesome, awesome. First of all, let me talk about the box. The presentation on the box is awesome. It has their website right here. Bam, bam. Awesome presentation on the box. And when you open it, well, bam. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at the inside, man. This is all their social media links, and their links will also be down below on this video, so you definitely want to click on that. So let's start off with some of the goodies. Like I said, they give you awesome samples of different beard products from around the US, and it's definitely awesome. The packaging right here is awesome. High quality. Love it, love it, love it. Love when companies go above and beyond my expectation when it comes to like 360 review, like meaning like the boxing, the boxes, what's inside the box, the bags, and I love the confetti. So let's go see what's in their first package. All right, let's see. I love when you can smell it in the package. I love that. It smells good. Oh, this says The Dude. Looks like a small sample of a beard product. I'm not sure if it's beard butter or beard balm, but we're gonna twist and take a look. Ah, that smells clean and fresh. I'm really digging that, man. It almost comes off like a, you can see right here, very creamy. Almost comes off like a butter, a really light balm. Rub it in the hands. Ah, gotta love the smell test. Now let's open their next package. These packages are very, very secure. I actually had to do a little bit of jump cuts because they're really sealed really safely. Oh, say word, say word. This looks like an awesome sample of Kingsman Beard Company. Anybody who's anybody knows about how awesome their oud scent is. And right here, I have the holy grail sample right here. My bearded brethrens, men will kill for this bottle of beard oil. And it comes with a sample of BALM right here. This one is actually the, looks like the dragon. Never smelled the dragon before. Let's do a twist. Let's do a twist. Very interesting smell. This right here, like a small sample of awesome beard balm and some awesome Kingsman beard oil, Holy Grail to be exact. Now, Holy Grail is their oud scent. Oud is an extremely unique smelling beard oil. Oud is an extremely expensive processing to obtain this oil. Now on to their next package. This one is not as hard to open. Bam! Oh, they actually give it a sample of beard jelly. My bearded brothers, if you have never tried beard jelly, I stand by this strongly. One of my favorite overnight conditioners to use in my beard. It nourishes it and hydrates it greatly. And the fact that they give you an awesome sample of this to give you the opportunity to try something awesome and unique because it's first of its kind. This right here is their Stagecoach scent. This is actually my least favorite scent. I feel like it was a little too sweet for me. And we got another package, another sample I should say. This is Take a Shot. Looks like a beard, a shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. That's like a triple threat, homie. You're literally getting a 3-in-1 with this awesome sample right here. Looks like it's a company called Man. I'm loving these samples. This is something like I could just run to the mail, push the kids out the way, hug and kiss the mailman because I'm so happy to get this product. Oh, but that's not it, ladies and gentlemen. There is more, and we're gonna open it. What is this? What is this? Not only do they give you awesome samples of beard product and man stuff, but they also give you discount codes for the companies that are sampled in there. So if you're feeling a company, you like the company, he gives you discount cards right here with those companies that you just sampled. Like always, my bearded brothers, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, give me a thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram.